Welcome back to Auto Culture, the channel where we dive deep into the world of advanced defense technology, military innovations, and the systems that shape modern warfare. Today, our focus is on Nigeria, and specifically on one of the significant precision strike weapons in its arsenal, the AR-1 air-to-ground missile. This missile has become a key part of Nigeria's ability to project air power and carry out targeted strikes, especially in counterinsurgency operations and in maintaining regional stability. As we move through this video, I will break down what the AR-1 missile is, its capabilities, how it is used by Nigeria, and why it plays such a crucial role in the country's Air Force strategy. The AR-1 missile is an air-to-ground precision-guided weapon system developed by China. It is designed to provide accuracy and lethality against both stationary and moving targets. Nigeria, like several other nations, turned to China for cost-effective yet powerful weapons, and the AR-1 is one such acquisition that has given the Nigerian Air Force a stronger edge in combat scenarios. This missile is most often paired with unmanned aerial vehicles, especially the Chinese-made CH-3 and CH-4 drones, which Nigeria operates in its fleet. The combination of drones with AR-1 missiles allows the Nigerian Air Force to deliver precision strikes without putting pilots at risk, which is especially valuable in dangerous counterterrorism missions. The AR-1 missile weighs around 45 kilograms and carries a powerful warhead, making it capable of striking targets with devastating accuracy. Its range is typically between 8 to 10 kilometers when fired from a drone, which means operators can engage hostile forces from a safe distance. What makes it even more effective is its guidance system, which uses both laser guidance and inertial navigation, allowing it to remain accurate even if environmental conditions are challenging. This ensures that the missile stays locked on target until impact, reducing the risk of collateral damage and increasing mission success rates. For Nigeria, which has been fighting against insurgent groups like Boko Haram and other militant organizations, the AR-1 provides an essential capability. Before the acquisition of precision-guided missiles like the AR-1, Nigerian air operations often relied on conventional bombs, which were less accurate and risked causing unintended civilian casualties. With the AR-1, strikes can now be carried out against specific enemy hideouts, vehicles, or weapon convoys with pinpoint accuracy. This not only makes military operations more efficient but also helps reduce harm to innocent lives, which is vital for maintaining public trust and legitimacy. The integration of the AR-1 missile with drones has completely changed the dynamics of Nigerian air operations. Drones like the CH-3 and CH-4 can loiter over target areas for hours, collecting intelligence and waiting for the right moment to strike. Once the target is confirmed, the AR-1 missile can be deployed within seconds, striking before enemies even have the chance to escape. This has been especially important in Nigeria's efforts to dismantle terrorist camps in remote and hard-to-reach areas. Traditional aircraft might struggle to carry out repeated missions in such locations, but drones armed with AR-1 missiles can patrol continuously, striking at the right opportunity. One of the most notable aspects of the AR-1 missile is its versatility. It can be used against a wide range of targets, including armored vehicles, bunkers, infrastructure, and even fast-moving convoys. This flexibility means that whether the Nigerian Air Force is targeting a hidden base in the forest, an enemy technical vehicle on the move, or a fortified position, the AR-1 is capable of delivering reliable results. Its relatively lightweight design also means that drones can carry multiple missiles, allowing them to engage several targets in a single mission. In addition to its technical capabilities, the AR-1 has also impacted Nigeria's defense strategy at a broader level. The availability of precision strike weapons strengthens deterrence, as hostile groups know they can be targeted even in remote locations. It also enhances Nigeria's ability to cooperate with allies, as the country can contribute effectively to joint security operations in the region. For instance, when coordinating with neighboring nations in the fight against cross-border insurgencies, Nigeria's use of AR-1 equipped drones demonstrates that it possesses advanced tools capable of delivering precision results. Of course, with advanced technology also comes challenges. Operating the AR-1 missile system requires significant training and coordination. Drone operators must be skilled not only in flying the aircraft but also in identifying legitimate targets, coordinating with ground forces, and executing precision strikes under pressure. Furthermore, the reliance on foreign suppliers like China means Nigeria must continue to invest in maintenance, spare parts, and upgrades to keep these systems operational. Despite these challenges, the benefits of having the Arkansas-1 missile far outweigh the difficulties. Looking at Nigeria's air campaigns in recent years, there are several instances where Arkansas-1 missiles have proven effective. Strikes against insurgent camps, convoys, and supply lines have disrupted the operations of terrorist groups, making it harder for them to regroup or launch large-scale attacks. This demonstrates how precision strike weapons not only deliver immediate tactical results but also have long-term strategic impacts by weakening the overall capacity of hostile forces. Another interesting point to highlight is the cost-effectiveness of the Arkansas-1 compared to some Western alternatives. While advanced Western missiles can offer greater ranges or higher precision, they often come with much higher costs. For a country like Nigeria, which must balance its defense budget with many other national priorities, the Arkansas-1 offers a practical balance between performance and affordability. This makes it a smart choice for sustaining long-term operations without draining resources. Beyond just its military use, the Arkansas-1 missile also symbolizes Nigeria's growing reliance on modern technology to address its security challenges. It reflects a shift from older, conventional warfare methods toward a new era where drones and precision-guided weapons dominate the battlefield. This transition not only improves effectiveness but also positions Nigeria as a nation capable of leveraging advanced tools to secure its sovereignty. In conclusion, the Arkansas-1 air-to-ground missile has become a cornerstone of Nigeria's modern airstrike capabilities. Its integration with Chinese drones has given the Nigerian Air Force the ability to carry out precise, effective, and efficient missions in the fight against insurgencies and regional instability. With features such as laser guidance, strong warhead design, and versatility against multiple target types, the Arkansas-1 has proven to be a valuable asset. While challenges remain in training, logistics, and reliance on foreign suppliers, Nigeria's investment in this system has already shown results on the battlefield. As Nigeria continues to modernize its air force and strengthen its defense strategies, weapons like the Arkansas-1 will remain vital tools in maintaining peace and security. They not only enhance Nigeria's immediate combat capabilities but also contribute to its long-term vision of becoming a more self-reliant and capable regional power. That wraps up today's deep dive into the Arkansas-1 air-to-ground missile and its role in Nigeria's military operations. If you found this breakdown insightful, don't forget to subscribe to Auto Culture for more detailed explorations of defense technologies and their impact around the world. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think Nigeria should continue relying on systems like the Arkansas-1, or should it aim to develop its own indigenous precision-guided weapons in the future? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.